Day. Happy Women Engineering Day!
I just start by saying I'm absolutely delighted to be celebrating this International Women in Engineering Day together with these women here and the ladies behind us here. It is an honor to be celebrating the 10th anniversary of this particular day. As the Institution of Engineers of Kenya, we are very alert and very keen to promote the role of women in engineering. And that is why we have got one of these committees, the Women in Engineering Committee, as one of the committees that we really promote so that they can continue mentoring the women engineers, those who are coming up and those who are already in the society. One other thing that the Institute of Engineers of Kenya is doing to promote women in engineering is to make sure that we conduct a lot of mentorship programs at the universities, at the schools. We promote the study of STEM, we promote, and those who are studying at the universities, we make sure we keep on mentoring them so that they don't drop off. When we interact with our academia, we come to learn that initially they used to start off and drop off along the way, and the numbers that were finishing off were not enough. So we have to keep on mentoring them so that they're able to finish their career and partake of what the career has for them. And we also mentor those who are in the field so that they're encouraged to keep on. As we heard from the registrar, the numbers are very few, so they need continuous mentorship. And also some of the frameworks we have in the workplaces sometimes are not very supportive.
Ready to get those top positions, leadership positions, participate in corporate governance so that we can drive the government objectives and goals. And as Institution of Engineers of Kenya, Women Engineers Committee, we are at the forefront of empowering women to pursue STEM-related courses, right from primary schools, from secondary schools, and even at the university level.
We look at the aspect of safety on this day, and as we celebrate this 10th Women in Engineering Day, we are grateful that women have taken up roles in the engineering field. We still recognize that at leadership level, we still have fewer engineers, and we have a lot of work to do to skew the gender back so that women are also able to be represented at leadership levels and even at the junior supervisory levels. The State Department will continue to support internship programs with a special focus on the women in engineering, and also the mentorship programs with a focus on.
So that is where we are very happy to have our regulator supporting us. When we work together with our partners, UNESCO, EBK, and all other collaborators and sponsors, all the institutions that employ engineers, we are able to make a difference as women in society.
Board of Kenya, of course, there's a big concern about gender mainstreaming, inclusivity, and diversity in engineering. So we are here to partner with IEK so that we can be able to first bring out the message that we have to close the gap. We have to increase the numbers. Currently on our register, we just have about 8% of all professional engineers are women engineers. So we are looking at creating programs. In fact, next week we've agreed we are going to meet as key partners, the Institution of Engineers. We'll also meet with the Association of Consulting Engineers and other industry players so that we can come up with programs that we can institutionalize gender mainstreaming when it comes to engineering practice. I'm very excited to be here today, and I really congratulate IEK for organizing this day. Maybe as a last message to us is that we would wish that institutions start to bring inclusivity and diversity in all their programs. It is the only way we are going to get the full perspective when it comes to the infrastructure development in this country. We have, for instance, the roads that we design. How do we take care of the unique needs of women as they take their children to school and to hospital? And generally, how do they also do their cooking in their houses? These are the things that we want to talk about. And I believe we have a lot of government